Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Daily Spoken English.
Today, you'll learn
English
100.
sentences through a restaurant conversation.
Listen carefully, repeat after us, and improve your English naturally.
Let's get started.
Great job.
Hi, you look beautiful today.
Thank you. You look handsome too.
How are you?
I'm doing great. How about you?
I'm fine, thanks.
That's good to hear.
Shall we sit here?
Yes, this table is perfect.
I like this restaurant.
Me too. It's beautiful.
Are you hungry?
Yes, I'm very hungry.
Let's look at the menu.
Sure. What would you like to eat?
I'll have grilled chicken.
That sounds delicious.
Thank you. What about you?
I'll have pasta.
Great choice.
Thanks.
Would you like some soup?
Yes, please.
Do you like spicy food?
Just a little.
I prefer mild food.
Me too.
The atmosphere is amazing.
I completely agree.
The music is relaxing.
Yes, it's very nice.
The waiter is coming.
Let's place our order.
I can't wait for the food.
Me neither.
What do you usually order here?
I usually order steak.
Is it tasty?
Yes, it's delicious.
We should try dessert later.
Great idea. I love chocolate cake.
Me too. Do you come here often?
Sometimes.
This place is wonderful.
It really is. How was your day?
It was busy, but good.
Mine was busy too.
I'm glad we could meet.
Me too. You always make me smile.
That's so sweet. Thank you. You also always make me happy.
I'm happy to hear that. The food looks delicious.
Yes, it does. Everything smells wonderful.
Absolutely. This is a lovely evening.
It certainly is. I'm enjoying our conversation.
So am I.
Time goes by so fast.
It really does.
I'm happy you're here.
I'm happy too. Let's make today memorable.
Definitely.
Thank you for coming.
My pleasure. What's your favorite food?
I love pasta.
My favorite is pizza.
Pizza is delicious.
Do you like coffee?
Yes, I love coffee.
I prefer tea.
Tea is nice too.
This restaurant has great service.
I agree.
The staff is very friendly.
Yes, they are.
I love spending time with you.
Me too. This dinner is wonderful.
I'm glad you like it. Shall we come here again? Of course. I'd love to.
That sounds perfect. Thank you for everything.
You're most welcome. I had a great time today. So did I.
See you again soon.
I can't wait.
I hope you enjoyed today's restaurant date conversation.
Practice these sentences every day to improve your spoken English. If you liked this video, please like, share,
And subscribe to Daily Spoken English. See you in the next lesson.
Until then, keep practicing and keep smiling. Bye.